Alright. It's your boy Team Harris. Charlie Brown Beats. It's called Blue Magic. Shit kinda fire though. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all hear this quick verse right quick. Okay. I know sometimes this feels like a game, but this shit is serious. The realest part of living is knowing that death is nearing us. I'm scarred for life, but I'm thankful it's never healing up. Cause all the years from studying pain, I can never feel enough. Once you think you reach the peak from the deepest beef, the reaper will make you reap his grief till you cease to sleep. I take it as a compliment cause he don't eat the weak. He uses them, the law and the marshes, to plant the deepest seeds. So I embody Christ, but I will never sell myself just to better my business. I'm not Heidi Fleiss. For the love of the music, I get mighty hype. I'm about to drop and go on the street like Tidy Whites, but I've yet to drop a mixtape. All the talent I possess behind mics have been misplaced. I can't say that I lost the dude in my kid's face. 10 years trusting these bitches, what a big waste. I done did things in my life I disgrace that'll make you look at me with the bitterest distaste. But you quick to judge. If you don't understand the situations I fell victim to, then this isn't love. They want to keep my case closed like I missed the judge. Rip the plug right out the wall cause they can sense the grudge. It's all good, there are other outlets. When I run a route, I become another outlet. A conduit that can run his mouth best, but speak with such truth that my tongue is now blessed. I was raised in the corner of a gutter. My biological mom was sorta like a mother. Bro was in the streets, it wasn't always for the butter. That was his escape route, that's why he's more than just my brother. I would never change my story for another, cause another may psychologically haunt me till I plunder. But it's too late for that. But if I could play poker with my past, I bet on not chasing Jack. If you made a mistake, you gotta face the facts. Changing the past is like trying to face your back. One time.